Chapter 9, Molecular Geometry and Bonding Theories. We saw in Chapter 8 that Lewis structures help us understand the compositions of molecules and their covalent bonds. However, Lewis structures do not show one of the most important aspects of molecules, their overall shapes. Molecules have shapes and sizes that are defined by the angles and distances between nuclei of their component atoms. Indeed, chemists often refer to the molecular architecture when describing distinctive sizes and shapes and sizes of molecules. The shape and size of a molecule of a particular substance, together with the strength and polarity of its bonds, largely determine the properties of that substance. Some of the most dramatic examples of the important roles of molecular shape and size are seen in biological reactions and in substance produced by living things. For example, the chapter opening photograph shows a Pacific yew tree, a species that grows along the Pacific coast in northwestern United States and Canada. In 1967, two chemists isolated the bark of the Pacific yew, small amounts of a molecule that was found to be among the most effective treatments for breast and ovarian cancer. This molecule, known now as the Pharmaceutical Taxol, has a complex molecular architecture that leads to its powerful therapeutic effectiveness. Even a small modification to the shape and size of the molecule decreases its effectiveness and can lead to the formation of a substance toxic to humans. Chemists now know how to synthesize the drug in the laboratory, which has made it more available and has saved the slow-growing Pacific yew tree from possible extinction. Before the drug was synthesized, 6 trees had to be harvested to provide the Taxol necessary to treat one cancer patient. Our first goal in this chapter is to learn the relationship between the two-dimensional Lewis structures and the three-dimensional molecular shapes. Armed with this knowledge, we can then examine more closely the nature of covalent bonds. The lines that are used to depict bonds in Lewis structures provide important clues about the orbitals that molecules used in bonding. By examining these orbitals, we'll gain a greater understanding of the behavior of molecules. You'll find that the material in this chapter will help you later discussions in physical and chemical properties of substances.